You wake up, something feels different, your scalp tingles, you run your fingers through your hair, it's greasy, sticky, heavy. What if you never washed it again? What would happen to your scalp? Would your hair fall out? Would you smell? Would people notice? Would you even recognize yourself after a year? This isn't just about hygiene, it's about biology, it's about history, it's about what happens when you break a habit you followed your whole life. Are you ready to find out? Because this is, imagine if anything. And here's what would happen if you didn't wash your hair for an entire year. Imagine this. You put away your shampoo, you turn off the shower, you decide, for the next 365 days, you will not wash your hair. No shampoo, no conditioner, no rinsing under the tap. Just you, your scalp, and time. What happens next isn't just gross, it's a journey through the science of your own body. Let's break it down, stage by stage. The first day, you probably wouldn't notice much. Your hair feels a little heavier, maybe a bit shinier. That's sebum, your scalp's natural oil, starting to build up. Sebaceous glands under your skin are always working. They produce sebum to protect your hair and scalp. Normally you wash it away, but not today. By the end of 24 hours, your scalp is just getting started. 7 days in, now you notice, your hair looks greasy, it clumps together, your scalp feels itchy, dead skin cells, sweat, and oil are mixing. Bacteria love this environment, they start to multiply, you might notice a faint odor, it's not strong, yet, but it's there, you scratch your head. Tiny flakes fall. Is it dandruff? Not exactly, it's your scalp's way of shedding dead skin, and it's only the beginning. 30 days, your hair is now visibly oily, the roots are slick and the ends are dry, your scalp itches more and, honestly, you might even see some redness. Bacteria and fungi are thriving. Malassezia, which is a common scalp fungus, starts to overgrow. This can trigger inflammation. You might develop folliculitis, those small red bumps around your hair follicles. The smell is stronger and, well, people around you notice. You start to feel self-conscious, but your scalp is adapting. Sebum production may slow down. Your body tries to find balance. But, the buildup continues. 90 days, your hair is heavy, it sticks to your scalp, the odor is unmistakable, it's a mix of sweat, oil, and bacteria, your scalp is inflamed, you might see scabs or sores, folliculitis can worsen, some hair may start to thin, inflammation damages follicles. You scratch more, and this can lead to infection, your social life takes a hit, people keep their distance, you wonder if it's worth it, but you keep going. Half a year. Your scalp is a battlefield. Sebum, sweat, dead skin, and microbes are locked in constant struggle. The smell is intense. It's hard to ignore. Your hair is limp, lifeless. Some patches may be thinning. Inflammation is chronic. You might develop seborrheic dermatitis. Those red, scaly patches. The itching is relentless. You try to hide it. Hats, scarves, but nothing masks the odor. Your confidence drops. You avoid close contact, but your scalp keeps producing oil. The cycle continues. 12 months, 365 days, your hair is almost unrecognizable, it's matted, it's greasy, it smells, the buildup is thick, layers of oil, dead skin and microbes form a crust, folliculitis is severe, some follicles are permanently damaged, hair loss is visible, your scalp is inflamed, tender, social isolation is real, you miss the feeling of clean hair, but your body has adapted, just not in the way you hoped. This is the cost of never washing your hair. Let's break down what's happening beneath the surface. Your scalp is covered in sebaceous glands. They produce sebum, a waxy, oily substance. Sebum protects your hair, it keeps your scalp moisturized, but too much sebum traps dirt and dead skin. Bacteria feed on it. So do fungi like Malassezia. When you don't wash, sebum builds up, the scalp microbiome shifts, good bacteria decrease, bad bacteria and fungi take over. This triggers inflammation, follicles get clogged, hair growth slows, some follicles die. That's why you see thinning and hair loss. Not all hair reacts the same. If you have oily hair, sebum builds up fast. Your hair looks greasy within days. If your hair is dry, you might see less oil, but your scalp still itches. Curly hair, sebum has a harder time traveling down the hair shaft. Your roots are oily, but your ends are dry and brittle. Thick hair traps more oil and sweat. It's harder to clean even if you tried. Each hair type faces its own challenges, but none escape the consequences. But what about before shampoo? How did people keep their hair clean? In ancient times, people used water, vinegar, or herbal rinses. Some used clay or ash to absorb oil. Hair was washed less often. But diets, environments, and expectations were different. Modern life means more pollution, more sweat, more products. Our scalps face new challenges. That's why regular washing became the norm. Some people today skip shampoo on purpose. It's called the No-Poo Movement. They use water, baking soda, or apple cider vinegar. They believe it's healthier for hair. Some see less oil over time, but not everyone adapts. For many, buildup and odor remain. Science says, some sebum is good, but too much is a problem. Balance is key. But, here's the twist. Washing too often can also damage your hair. Shampoo contains surfactants, chemicals that strip oil. If you wash daily, you remove too much sebum. Your scalp dries out. It compensates by producing even more oil. Hair becomes brittle. Breakage increases. The scalp can become irritated. So, both extremes, never washing and overwashing, have consequences. The secret? Find your balance. Let's get real. If you never wash your hair, odor becomes overwhelming. Itching is constant. Folliculitis can scar your scalp. Hair thins, you lose confidence. Social interactions suffer, people notice, you notice. Your scalp's health declines. It's not just about looks, it's about biology. It's about well-being. Imagine walking into a room. People turn away, they wrinkle their noses. You feel isolated. Your self-esteem drops, you avoid gatherings, you miss out on life. All because of a simple choice, to never wash your hair. The impact goes beyond the scalp. It affects your mind, your relationships, your happiness. So, what have we learned? Your scalp needs balance. Too much washing, too little, both can harm you. But if skipping shampoo can do this, what would happen if you never cut your nails, or never brushed your teeth? Imagine if anything.